This is your resident toy expert, Joe Glass, and we're going to have some fun today. We are building a Lego ornament using this great book that you can find on Zulily. This is the Lego Christmas Ornament book, full of great Lego ornament ideas, and we're going to build a Mr. Snowman ornament with this. All you need are these 25 pieces here. Let's go over the pieces. This is going to be such a fun build that you can do with your family as you ramp up to the holiday season and show off your Lego fandom on your Christmas tree. There's great ornament ideas in here, and we're going to do Mr. Snowman, so let's get into it. All right. And these pieces you will find and just, in that bin of Lego bricks that you have laying around the house, and some old sets that you might have already disassembled, put them back together in a brand new way, something that's going to be fun for you and the family, and something you can do as you get ready for all the holidays and you're doing your holiday shopping on Zulily. Okay, here we go. And I just love shopping Lego sets on Zulily. There's so much more than just Lego sets you'll find. You'll find Lego storage units. You'll find Lego keychains, Lego backpacks. It's all there. Lego shirts. It's all there in one spot. That's what's so great about shopping on Zulily. You'll scroll and discover so many unique finds. We like to call it fun shopping. Here we go. And we're going to have some fun right now as we make our Mr. Snowman ornament. Why is he called Mr. Snowman? You'll find out when we get there in those last few pieces. Where are you going to find these pieces? We have the Lego Classics sets that we sell on Zulily. These have a lot of pieces, a lot of random pieces in there that you can use for ornaments and all your different ideas you have. In addition to the Lego Ornament book, we have so many idea books on the website that'll help you discover new purposes for your pieces. All right, flipping around. 25 pieces is all it takes for your Mr. Snowman. These big white pieces I found in a lot of our Winter Village sets that we sell on Zulily. Oh, here's one right here. Santa's Visit. Oh, look at this one. It's massive. And they come out with a new one every year, and we like to carry those on Zulily for you and your festive fandom. We love all things holidays here. Okay, now we're going to put the hanger on. This is a fun piece that you'll find in a lot of Lego Classic sets. And hey, if you need more room on your hanger, I thought a great piece from other Lego sets would be the Lego Spider-Man spider webbing here. That'll give you some more length for your ornament. All right, moving right along, we're going to put the face on our snowman. Da-da-da. Boop, boop, boop. Big piece here. Here we go. This piece, they say, well, I need a gray piece for this one, but that's the great thing about Lego pieces. You can use alternatives, use what you need, use what you have. Okay, just a last few steps here. All right, time to put some eyeballs on our Mr. Snowman. La la la. All right, he's gonna be looking over at the other Lego ornaments on your tree. Okay, now to put the Mr. in the Mr. Snowman, we're gonna put a mustache on our Mr. Snowman. I've never made a snowman with a mustache before, but all new things to discover when you're building with Lego pieces. And just like me, he's gonna have a bow tie on as well. Let's put a bow tie on our Mr. Snowman. You're looking good, Mr. Snowman. Well done. All right, and these Lego studs make for great coal. Our snowmen like to have coal as buttons, so let's put these studs on right here. Oh, yes, here we go. This set calls for very dark brown skeleton arms. I don't have that, but what I do have is a Star Wars battle droid. And I'm going to rip these arms right off this battle droid. Apologies, Lego Star Wars battle droid. You are now the arms for our snowman. And I'm going to just take this broom right from a Lego Harry Potter set, and now my snowman has a broom as well. And we have completed our Mr. Snowman Lego ornament. How cool is that? Let's hang it up on our tree. La la la. We have these instructions down below in the links. Just check out the Zulili's blog, The Find, and you'll find that link down below. Oh, that was so much fun. Thank you for joining us. There's so many more ideas and so many more sets to be had when you're shopping for Lego on Zulily. Come scroll with us. You'll love what you'll find. Come fun shopping. We'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.